So when it comes to shower remodels, other than looks and sizes and everything, we also worry about the functionality of it. Something that will be handy for one person, it might not be handy for the other one. Some people like to have this type of niches or built-in shelves. Sometimes a little bit longer, a little bit on a little bit wider. I mean, the varieties are endless. Same thing when it comes to the hardware. This is your normal, what most showers have, just the regular shower head, your controls in here. But in this particular case, we have a handheld. I mean, this is pretty handy when you're rinsing your feet or whatever. Some other people like benches, some people don't. I mean, we just want to understand what is it that you're looking for when it comes to what would be your ideal bathroom. And once we sit down with you, we can go over the different options, see what you have in mind. We can show you a few pictures of what we've done, stuff like this. Somebody might want a pony wall to have all this stuff hidden, and we can do that kind of stuff. And we'll show you in a different video in a different bathroom, a different setup. Basically, it's the same essence, but just with a little bit of a tweak to whatever fits your personal style.